Hello everybody, you're watching ModShapes, and I'm Alex Steele. And tonight, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the magic place where Fusion360 allows you to use programming type variables to create amazing results with very little effort. Let's get started. We're going to get started with a single unit, which is based on parameters we've already set up. We're going into Modify, Change Parameters. And from here, you can see the list. Now I've already created these because I wanted this to be pretty easy, but I have a height, width, inner radius, outer radius, all kinds of things. And as each process unfolds, like the shell and the pattern, I use the formula created and so on. Now, if you guys decide that you would like a PDF or maybe this file in downloadable format, just let me know in the comments. But it's pretty straightforward. You figure out what the overall length of your items are, and there's a math aspect to it. When editing features, make sure to type in the user parameter name instead of typing in the digits. Where possible, you use measurements specific to the item, such as a degree for the draft versus millimeters for the length. And in some cases, you don't want any units at all. You just want to make a note. All right. So, as you can also see here, if you're looking at the parameters, it's not just about making changes, which right now, when I want to make a change, it's so easy. I just modify the number of items. Now, you may notice that after I reached a certain number, the draft stopped applying, and I noticed that too. So it has to do with how Fusion360 set up this device. So if I go back in and I create a grid of 12 by 12, which is much too big for my 3D printer, but I do it, then I go in and make sure that the combination of those things actually functions and every single item is included in the combination, then this problem goes away. And as you can see here, when I make this, I have to make sure I'm just resetting it. It's interesting because at first it was the number of items accepted in the combination. But then I also noticed that other things would change. So as you modify these parameters, you may want to go ahead and remember that you might have to put the outer radiuses back on as time goes by and as a need arises. So as you can see, that's how easy it is to create an item in Fusion360, create a pattern out of it, come up with a method of how to duplicate it in a pattern, apply a formula, and now you have almost a programming approach to design. This is really awesome, and I'm sure there's so much more that you can do with it than what I've been doing so far. If you like this video, please put a like on it. Yeah, ModShapes is about making things, but software is a huge part of that. So if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, please let me know in the comment. So give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Any feedback helps me a lot. And remember, it's always a good time to be nice to each other. Have a great night, all you beautiful people, and I'll catch you on the next one.